Hello, welcome back to another video with SHOEGR Academy. Today we will be using a very essential kit that comes with an 100 ml solution and an all-purpose brush, and we will test and use these on other sports shoes, that is by Decathlon, and these are badminton shoes. And you can see they're pretty much very dirty. So without further ado, let's get into the video. I will keep one shoe for comparison basis later and work my way with the essential kit on the left shoe. So first we'll remove the laces. So now I have removed the shoelaces, and now I will use our SHOEGR Shape It. It will not only help me to maintain the shape of the shoe but also help me with easy cleaning, because it will provide me with a sturdy base when I brush the uppers. So all you have to do is just insert it. Now I will need a bowl, some water, and now so this is an all-purpose brush. Now as you can see, there is a lot of dry dust. It is always advisable, and honestly it's a must, that आप पहले ही dry clean करो. So now as we dry dusted it, now let's dip the same brush in the solution. Now you need a microfiber towel and just wipe. Just look at this dirt. And you have absolutely nothing to worry about. The solution and the brush are perfectly safe to use even inside. Now uppers are almost 90% clean. I will work my way on the midsoles. Now let's come to the outsoles. So guys, we're done with the shoe, and I must say I'm very satisfied with the results. Now comes the shoelace part, and all you have to do is just take the same bowl, dip the shoelaces, and just rinse it in the solution. Now take one end of the shoelace and just pull it through the microfiber towel. So now the laces are all clean as well as the shoe. So now you will see how did this shoe look before, and this is the difference, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video, and let us know if there's any other video that you would like to see of any specific shoe. Please do like and subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.